And here's I will show you how to enable ChatGPT voice mode on your Android phone. First of all, we have to update our ChatGPT app. So go to your Play Store and search for ChatGPT. If you see any new update available, must update the ChatGPT app first of all. Now go ahead and open the ChatGPT app, and here we can see the voice mode icon. Tap on that, and here tap on continue, and allow ChatGPT to record audio. Tap on while using the app.
Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running. So if there's anything
And here you'll find a bunch of
first,
different voice. You can go ahead and select any of them.
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going? I'm really Hello. It's lovely to meet you. If there's anything you need.
Hey, how's it going?
Hello.
So select any voice
It's
and just
lovely
tap
to
on
meet
done.
you. If there's anything you need, please don't hesitate.
Once you selected voice, now you can go ahead and use ChatGPT with your voice. Hey,
Hey there. How's it going? What's on your mind today?
what is HTML?
HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the standard language used to create and design documents on the web. With
So that's how you can actually use ChatGPT voice mode on Android phone. Thanks for watching.